Hello students. So we were doing the fifth chapter of our literature book and the name of the chapter is The New School Fellow. So in the last previous we can say video lecture I have completed the portion of page number 36, 37 and up to 38. Okay. So I hope you have gone through the video and I am going to move further after this after page number, that means continuing from the page number 38. Okay, so let's get started with the chapter. This chapter is quite too long, so let's get started with the things. So what happened? Finally, I'm going to start from here. Something would happen every day, a quarrel or something, and Tom thought he should rather like to show Philip that he had better not to try his trick on him. So basically, the thing was that they don't wanted to get interacted with each other, but somehow what happened, that Tom, okay, he went nearer to the table of that Philip, okay, and so the conversation started like that, and let's see what had happened next. Where okay, he suddenly walked across the hearth and looked over Philip's paper. Now what happened, he just went nearer to the table, okay, and he just looked into the paper what he was drawing. So why, that's a donkey and spaniel, that's an partridges in the corn. So that Philip was drawing some pictures of, you can say, donkey and spaniel creatures, okay. So it was like that, and what happened, that he exclaimed, his tongue being completely loosened by surprise and administration. What happened, he was doing that, but suddenly what happened, you can say Tom, he came nearer to Philip and he started leaning into the paper. So he got, you can say, surprised, and he exclaimed that what exactly happened with him, he didn't understand at that time. Okay, now let's see what happened. Oh, my button, I wish I could draw like this, that like that. I am to learn drawing this half. I wonder if I shall learn to make dogs and donkey. That means Tom started saying that, wow, you made so, the creatures that you made were really very beautiful. I wish that I can draw these type of creatures, okay, especially dogs and donkey. Oh, you can draw them without learning, said Phillips. I never learned drawing. So Phillips said that definitely you can draw, okay, there is nothing in drawing, but even I have not learned the things, that means even I have not learned how to draw the things, but even you can do without learning it. Never learned, said Tom in amazement. So Tom was very amazed that how is it possible that if we have not learned something and you are drawing so very well, so how is it possible like that? Okay, so okay, so oh, you can draw them without learning, said Phillips. I have never learned drawing. Never learned, said Tom in amazement. Why, when I make dogs and horse and those things, the head and the legs won't come right, though I can see how they ought to be very well. So Tom said that whenever I draw dogs or any creature, the head and the leg portion does not come into a proper manner. Okay, so he started thinking that definitely I should correct something. Okay, I can you can say try to change the pattern in which I am drawing. That means he wanted to learn drawing. Okay, so it was like that. I can make house and all sort of chimney going all down the wall, and the window in the roof and all, but I could draw dogs and horse if I were to try more. So what happened, Tom said that I can draw, he specified that I can draw that chimneys and the smoke coming out from the chimneys, windows and all these things I can draw, but I wish that I can draw dogs too, because if I'm going to try, definitely I can, but I wanted to learn the things. He added, reflecting that Phillips might fast falsely supposed that he was going to knock under if he were too frank about the imperfection of his accomplishment. So he was, you can say that, where were we? Okay. Try more. He added reflecting that Phillips might falsely suppose that he was going to. Actually, Phillips was, thinking that he might come nearer to him, quite close, and the imperfection that he had is going to point it out. He started thinking like that. Oh yes, said Phillips. It is very easy. You have only to look well at things and draw them over and over again. What do you do wrong once, you can change the next time. So Phillips said that definitely you can draw it. Firstly, try to observe the things as much as you can, okay, and after that what you have to do, you have to draw the things, okay, and firstly try to find out the things what you have made wrong, okay, and after that in the next drawing you can correct it. That means observe it and then do the correction on according to that. Fine. Now, okay, but haven't you been taught anything, said Tom. Then Tom said that, but you haven't taught. If you are saying that you have not learned the drawing, but how will you be able to make the things in a perfect way? Beginning to have a puzzled suspicion, okay, that Phillips crocked back might be source of remarkable faculties. I thought you had been to school for a long while. So he said that I thought that you went to school for a long time. That means drawing school, talking about it. Yes, said Phillips, smiling. I have been taught Latin and Greek and mathematics and writing and such things. That means he said that, yeah, I learned, but not the things that you are thinking. I learned mathematics, Latin, okay, Greeks and writing such things. Oh, but I see you don't like Latin, though you do you? Said Tom, lowering his voice. But he said that I think you don't like Latin, but do you think? But Latin, though you do. That means you don't like to read Latin and write Latin. It's a language, okay. But then also you are doing so. That means Phillips the Tom lowered his voice and asked. Pretty well, said Phillips. That means, yeah, I can write. But perhaps you haven't go into the propria que marvius. And Tom nodding his head sideways as much as to say, that was the test. It was easy talking till you come to that. So we're having, actually, see, this is the story of foreign authors, no? So we'll come. So we're having remarkable faculties, means you can say extraordinary qualities, and propria que marvius means proper noun of the masculine gender. So it is a, you can say, they have used the words related. Actually, this story is written by the foreign author, so they have used that word, okay. So what happens, see, then, okay, Phillips felt some bitter complimency in the bitter complimency means a feeling of contentment or satisfaction with that, with the, the feeling that he got from the things that was said by Tom, okay. It was quite satisfactory, but not too satisfactory. Philip felt some bitter complimency in promising stupidity of this well-made, active-looking boy. That means he was making some stupidity kind of activity, okay, but made polite by his own extreme sensitiveness as well as by his desire to make friend. He checked his laughter and said quietly, I have done with the grammar. I don't learn that anymore. So he said that I learned that you can say, which one, Latin, and that I have done with the grammar, okay. Fine. That means he understood that he's trying, actually he wanted to make Tom as a friend, but what the thing was something else, but Tom trying to overpower Philip, okay. So he understood that, but he just somehow he tried to manage the things. Okay, then you won't have the same lessons as I shall. So now what happened? Tom said that the things which I am reading right now, definitely you have not gone through it, because you have only learned the grammar portions and all, said Tom with a sense of disappointment. But here the Tom was quite disappointed with the things. That means he learned Latin but not the things what he is learning, what he is learning right now. No, but I can help you. But Philip said that definitely no issue, but I am definitely going to help you. I can help you. I shall be very glad to help you if I can. Then Philip said that definitely I feel very happy and very obliged if I am going to help you. If I get a chance to help you, definitely I will. Tom did not say thank you, for he was quite absorbed in the thought that was Beckham's son did not seem to be spiteful a fellow as might he have been expected. So the thing was that Tom was in some other world. Okay, he was thinking something else, and because the thing, you can say, he thought that according to his perception, this boy might be some different kind of boy. Okay, he was thinking something like that, but he was in different world and he was thinking, actually he expected something else, but right now he got something else. That means it happens now. Sometimes what happened, we started portraying negative things about our friend, about somebody, but in reality he was not like that. So the same thing is happening here. I say, he said presently, do you love your father? Yes, said Phillips, coloring deeply. And don't you love yours? Now what happened? The question, that means Tom put a question in front of Phillips, that do you love your father? So what Phillips said, that of course I do. But again Phillips cross questioned him, whom? Tom, that don't you love your father? Oh yes, I only wanted to know, said Tom, rather ashamed of himself. Now he saw Phillips coloring and looking uncomfortable. Now what happened? Phillips was coloring and he was feeling quite uncomfortable, because he was very closer to Philip, and Philip was quite feel uncomfortable when somebody is quite closer to him, because of that hump that he had on his back. Okay, he found much difficulty in adjusting his attitude of mind towards the son of lawyer Wickham, and it had occurred to him that if Phillips disliked his father, that he might go some way towards helping him deal with this difficult situation. Now the thing is that Tom did not like the attitude of his father. So again he started thinking that if he did not like my father, definitely he is not going to like me also. So these things are coming into his mind. Okay, shall you learn drawing now? He said by the way of said by way of changing the subject. So what happened, that Phillips, what he did, he tried to change the topic, that shall you learn drawing now? That means actually earlier he talked about, Tom talked about drawing. So he said that means Phillips by changing the topic, he said that now you can learn the drawing. No, said Philip. No, said Philip. My father wishes me to. Sorry. Wait. Okay. No, said Philip. My father wishes me to go to give all my time to other things now. What? Latin and Euclids are those things, said Tom. So what happened? Now Phillips said that my father. Okay. My father. That means Philip said that my father wishes me to give times to other things. Okay, and so Tom replied that what it was, that Latin or Euclid, like those things. Yes, said Phillips, who had left off using his pencil and was resting on his head on one hand, while Tom was leaning forward on both elbows and looking with increasing administration at the dog and donkey. So what happened, the conversation was going on. Okay, and this was finally the conclusion came that that Philip's father wanted him to learn, you can say, that Latin and Euclids. Okay, and he was Philip just put down the pencil on the table and he was looking at the things. Okay, that's what the Tom is saying or conveying to him. Okay, so and you don't mind that, said Tom. No, I like to know what everybody else know. I can study what I like by and by. So that definitely I would like to know what others know. Okay, and I like to study so many things. I can't think why anybody should learn Latin, said Tom. It's not good. So again Tom said that I don't know why people wanted to learn Latin. I don't found it that subject to be too interesting. It's a part of education of a gentleman, said Philip. Philip said that, so because it is a part of our education system, that definitely we should learn it. Okay, all gentlemen learn the same thing. What do you think, Sir John Cragg, the master of the hires, knows Latin, said Tom, who had often thought he should resemble Sir John Cragg. So again the question comes that actually Philip said that we should learn because it is a part of our education system, so we should learn it. Okay, so the question comes that, do you think that Sir John Cragg, the master of hires, knows Latin? So if you think that it is a part of our education system, then definitely he must be knowing the things. Okay, so the conversation was like that. He learned it when he was a boy, of course, said Phillips, but I dare says he has forgotten it. Now what happened? Philip said that definitely he must have gone through it when he was a boy, that means when he was in the school. But but Philip said that but when he was a boy he had gone through it, but right now he is quite young, so he might have forgotten the same thing. Oh well, I can do that then, said Tom with a serious satisfaction at that idea. As far as Latin was concerned, he could be quite like Sir John Cragg, only you have to remember it while you are at school. So basically, there are so many subjects which we have to study even though we don't like it. So we have to remember those things till we are at school. After completing our school education, sometimes we don't like to read those things. So same thing is here. Okay, so he said that, so till the time you are in the school, you have to remember the things. Fine, only you have to remember it while, okay, this we have gone through it. Learn ever so many lines of speaker. Mr. Stealing very particular. Did you know he will have you up 10 times if you say nam for jam? He won't let you go a letter wrong, I can tell you. So again we are having one example that we're having one man, okay, Mr. Stealing, okay, he is very particular. If you are going to say some word wrong, he will tell you 10 times. Okay, like that. Fine. So basically the thing is that the conversation was going on different things. Okay, and they were clarifying that what they talked on different topics, like they talked on the drawing. Okay, apart from that the Latin, why to study it, and about their fathers and all. So I will stop here. Okay, so please go through page number 38, 39, 40 and 38, 39 we are having one drawing. Okay, 40, 41 and up to 42 here. Okay, I'll stop here. Rest of the things I am going to cover in the next video, because the chapter is quite big, not too, but it is big. So rest of things I am going to cover in the next video lecture. So please go through the chapter. Okay, study it line by line. I hope you will understand the things what is written there. Okay, so till the time, thank you so much.